Before we move to the next performance, we have a special presentation by our students of grades 7, 8 and 9 that pays tribute to one of India's greatest visionaries, Sri Ratan Tata.
This skit is a humble acknowledgement of his extraordinary contribution, his unmatched wisdom, and his relentless dedication to the progress of our nation. Through his innovative ideas and leadership, Sri Ratan Tata has not only transformed industries, but has also touched millions of lives, inspiring us all to dream big and work with purpose.
I would like to make a special mention. The skit which you will be witnessing is directed by our student of grade 9 and who is my co-host for this magnificent evening, Master Sanskar Vaishnav. A big round of applause for our talented actors. The skit will be followed by the performance of grade 4, paying tribute to Sri Ratan Tata.
मेरा पहला सीन अंकल
Good evening, everybody.
इधर जगह नहीं और
Today, we, the students of grade 6, 7, 8, and 9, are here to remind you about a very special relationship. The relationship with Mr. Ratan Tata with a small skit named Bharat Ke Anmol Ratan. So, once upon a time in MASSF.
Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste. Please be seated.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hello everyone. As today is your first day at school, I know you're kind of nervous, but I know it would be fine at the end of the day. I'm Tanishi Shah, your SS teacher at MASSF. As today is your SS class, we are going to study about a famous industrialist, late Shri Jamshedji Tata, who founded TISCO. TISCO was started in 1907 AD under the confluence of river Suvarnarekha and Kharkai in Jharkhand. The steel production began in 1912 AD in India.
Ma'am,
Yes?
I have a doubt.
Sure.
Ma'am, I have heard that all the industrialists after gaining success becomes rude and arrogant. Is it true? So, my question is that have ever the Tatas disrespected or hurt someone?
As your question is very confusing, we have to go in the past to get the answer.
So, audience, did you understood what happened? I will explain you. In MASSF, one curious child asked a question, and to answer it, ma'am will tell her a story about the Tatas to answer her question.
Sir, may I come in?
Surely, come in.
Namaste, sir.
Namaste. What is the progress of our small-scale industries?
Sir, as per the reports, our small-scale industries are doing very good. We have gained total 5% of profit from our small-scale industries.
Wow, this is a very good news. Whew, the burden is off now. But mister, I want to establish the steel industry in Sakchi so that Indians can get their own steel made by their own people. What is your opinion about this?
Sir, your idea of establishing the industry is very good. But to establish it in the country which is ruled by the British, we need the authority of the British officer, which is John Hamilton.
Mister, you don't worry about that. I will manage it.
Sure, sir, I will fix the appointment.
So, as we saw that Mr. Ambitious Jamshedji Tata is not satisfied with a small success. Now, he wants to establish a steel industry in India so that India will not be dependent on Britishers for steel.
Yes, sir. How can I help you?
Sir John Hamilton for seeking permission.
Okay, let me ask him first. May I come in, sir?
Surely, come in.
Sir, one Indian is seeking permission to meet you.
Let that Indian come in. Indians are made for seeking permission from us great Britishers.
Yes, sir, you are right. You can go.
Sir, may I come in? Sir, my name is Jamshedji Tata.
Sit. So, what is the work? What do you want from me?
Sir, I want to establish a steel industry in Sakchi.
I don't think that an Indian like you could pursue such a big steel manufacturing company in India that is such an undeveloped country.
Sir, I have confidence in myself and my citizens of India. Please give me the permission.
Hey, if you could produce in 1 ounce of steel, I will surely eat that.
Sir, I will surely give you an ounce of steel to eat in a dish. But sir, please give me the permission.
Let me think about it. Just give that. Just take it and leave my office.
So, as we saw that Mr. Hamilton insulted Jamshedji Tata very badly. But Jamshedji Tata, being patient, heard all the insult and stuck to the agenda of taking the permission. This is the thing we should learn from Tatas. Patient, self-confidence and being down to earth. Because of these three qualities, today Tatas are the Tatas. Am I right, audience? So, let's now see what Mr. Ratan Tata do after a few years.
Sir,
Yes, Dikra?
may I come in?
Surely, come in.
Namaste.
Namaste. Please have a seat.
Yes, sir, you also have a seat.
Yes, Dikra. So what is it?
Sir, I have a very good news for you.
What is that?
Sir, according to the reports, we have gained more profit this year than the last one.
Wow, Dikra. This is a very good news. And I think you have done a lot of hard work. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
And you must be waiting for your treat.
Yes, sir.
Seeing the population of India in 2007, I think we should take over the British company Kohler, which produces the finest of steel.
Sure.
And this will be also one kind of revenge from Britishers as they insulted Jamshedji Tata when we asked for the settlement of the company.
Yes, sir, I agree.
What's your opinion about this?
Sir, I think that you have taken a very big step.
Okay, you just start the preparations.
Yes, sir, I will do it immediately.
What about taking over the company or for the treat?
Sir, for taking over the company.
Thank you.
Who's speaking?
Sir, I am office boy of Mr. Ratan Tata and I want to speak to him.
I can't give it to him. He is in a meeting.
But sir, it is very urgent.
I said I can't give it to him. He is in a meeting.
Who is it? Give the phone to me. Hello, I am Mr. Ratan Tata speaking.
Sir, I am your office boy speaking and one of our office boy is admitted in the hospital since 3 days and he won't be coming for next 3 days.
Okay, Dikra, you don't worry. I am coming there immediately. And you also take care of you.
Okay, sir.
Sir, where are you going?
Actually, one of our office boy has been hospitalized from last 3 days. So he won't come for next 3 days. So I am going there to meet him.
But sir, he's just an office boy and you are the boss.
ના દીકરા આ વાત ખોટી કહેવાય. Maintaining relationship is the first priority in our life. Relationship creates trust and trust makes a team. And after all, we all are one team.
Yes, sir, you are absolutely right. I have a lot to learn from you.
Thank you. Now I think I should go and you also come with me.
Yes, sir, after you.
This way, the Tatas never disrespected someone, but also took the revenge from the Britishers. Keeping relation was their first ever priority. So I hope your question now got satisfied.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
And children, you don't have to worry, because this is the way teachers at MASSF teaches their children. So now you can leave for your recess.
Ma'am,
Yes?
can you please join us for the lunch?
Sure, come. So, what do you guys have got for your lunch, huh?
Your favorite.
Sure, let's go.
शेयर करना खुद का अंकल को दे दे ऑडियंस को
Leave.